We're inside the 395 mmg. This is amazing destination trailers. We got too many, but this is a unique one because it do a lot of separations. So you're not cooking in the middle of your living area. You're not nobody in your way while you're watching the TV. Nobody bumping to you when you're in the kitchens. And everybody in destination trailers, they asking to have a stackable washer dryer. Well, guess what? This one give you not just the stackable washer and dryers, it give you even laundry room. And then it has the fabulous walk-in closet. I mean, it is a walk-in closet. I mean, doors, you open them and you stand inside the closet and you spend, oh, what I need to wear today. It is, and I'll show you all these features right now in this video. First thing I'm going to start with, we call it waterfall solid service counter with a solid service. This is called the waterfall, so you don't have no edge radius, and you could use it as a serving counter. You could use it as a dinette as well. You could use it a place to set things when you prep the food. And you have 3 high-rise bar stools. Then you have a huge, kind of like a U-shaped kitchen. And you have multiple, doors and doors and doors. You have nice tinsel doors on this side, and they're self-closing, by the way. So you have like 3, 6, 9 doors. And then you have another doors here for cooking pan. You put your cooking pan if you want. You have both. And then you have a nice place for, I like this door. Please focus on this. It's a nice, I call it a trash can door. You could put your trash can, you put all your Windex, all your chemicals. It's amazing. These days we never seen this. And then you could see here, if you look further, we have a full house water filtration system in my Sierra Destination 395 mmd. But I love this. I wish I have this one in my house, where you have a door for your trash can. And then you have a nice huge one-piece stainless steel sink. This is residential sink, not an RV sink. Look how deep. And then you have all this counter. You put it on the top, so when you wash things, you could utilize it. It's amazing. Oh, then you put it back. There you go. Work. Perfect. And then you have a huge counter space, a lot of overheads, cabinets, pantries, more storage. Again and again. I don't want to spend more time just opening doors because this unit has too many doors. Look, too many doors. So, and also the one thing, they're soft close. It has residential oven, so 3-burner range, and with the residential oven, I could put a turkey here. It has also residential microwave, 30-inch, so huge. But the beauty, you're missing the point here, is I could cook. I could do all my business of cooking, washing dishes, getting the food prep, but I'm not in the way of my husband when he's sitting, or somebody sitting watching a game, and I'm not cooking inside in the middle of the living room. So it's separation. So you look at it, this is the kitchen dining, this is the living room, that's laundry room, that's the master suite, and then the walk-in closet. I like the separation. Plus, for the traveling people who they say, look, I need an office, I work from my trailers, so I need an office. Well, guess what? They already give you the office. It has a nice, the pop-up wireless charge, perfect. You could sit here, you could have your laptop, your printers, drawers for papers, pens, you name it. And again, I don't have to move. I've seen a lot of people, when they buy trailers, they set their laptop on the dining tables and a bunch of wires. It's mess. No, this one, no. You have a room for your printers, room for your laptop or your desktop, and again, your dining is still clean and open. So this is what we say U-shaped kitchen. It's amazing, nice views, a lot of windows. You could see through this how big these are windows. They're not as small. And they come also with the roller shade. As well, there's the big panorama windows on this side, so it does not feel it's too close. Now we are in the living area right now. So in the living area, I'm giving my customer a place for the lady to lay down and stretch while she's watching a TV. It's a nice hide-a-bit sofa, you know, and across from it you have a theater seating, and it's really comfy. I mean, it's like I don't want to move from it. And those theater seating, as you see, you open it here, watch. Oh my God, I could go to bed. Where's my drink, please? I could watch the game. I have a place for my cup holder, a place for my remote control. It's amazing. I mean, I could take a nap and sleep while I'm watching a TV. Then over here you have all the top-notch smart TV, 50-inch. You have the bigger fireplace. Look how big it is. Not the 30-inch. That's the stereo with the Bluetooth. I love this glass cabinet over your TV. So as you see in the video, kitchen, dining, office, living room. Now we're gonna take you to the what they call like the surprise. This is I never thought the Sierra destination would come to that level. Guys, I am in the laundry room. I have a washer and dryer. I have a nice place here to fold my clothes. I have a place where I could hang my brooms, your mop. I have a beautiful, I don't have to pay extra for this washer and dryer, and they are separate units. So I could do the same thing at the same time washing clothes, and at the same time I do drying. Doors, I have a place for laundry soup. I mean, you name it. I love this. You have light, you could see what you're folding, and nobody could see my mess because I closed this door and privacy. So another section, so the third section, kitchen, second section, living room and office, third section is a laundry room, and then voila, I am in my master suite. 72 by 80 king size bed with the plugs in both sides for, you know, like I use machine when I go to night to bed. I have plug here, plug there. I have place for my water bottle, some nice decoration shelf. If I decide to have a second TV here, I have a room for it. There's a plug here. I could put 32-inch TV with no problem. A huge vanity. I could put all kind of makeup with my wife's makeup. A lot of doors. I mean, socks, I mean, whatever you want them. And then you have a full storage underneath in case I want to put my pillows, blankets, whatever I want to store. And then it's his master king. Why I mean by master bedroom? Because if you look, show them the door, it's closed, so I could do my own mess, I could take a shower, I could dress up, nobody see anything. So it's full separation. And in the top of that, I have my own ceiling fan. So 2 ceiling fan, one in the living room, one in the bedroom. I have my own AC in the bedroom. So you have AC for the living and AC for the bedroom. This is what my wife is gonna love with. You have a nice counter space, big sink. Now the reason why they don't do 2 vanity in this unit, because they said, look now, we want to try to get my customers more storage, more space. A lot of people, they complaining they don't have a place for hair dryers, they don't have a place for makeup. I mean, you name it. So you have a medicine cabinet here. You could put your shaving creams, some makeup here, another storage here. And again, they're all self-closing. You have a nice LED mirrors. Again, more doors. I mean, my wife, she had like doors and doors of makeup and nails and you name it. But you have a plenty of room here. Place for towels. You could fill this one, your shower towels. It's very roomy. And then it has the fiberglass walk-in shower. This is a big deal. Why? Why is big deal fiberglass? Because it's one piece, no seam. No way any water drop is going to go outside. So if you open this over here, voila, nothing coming out. Now, if you say, look, when I take a shower, I get tired, I want a place to sit. Well, here's ladies, you could sit, you could do your business with no problem. You could take a shower, dress, whatever you want, whatever you want to do. Height, no issue. and no issue for steam because you have a nice fantastic fan in your shower. Take all the steam out. Very elbow, no issue. Very roomy and very high nice shower. And you have traveling lock, porcelain toilet, no plastic, rack for hanging towels. So it got everything. I don't know what you want to do to it. I mean, in this particular destination, only you have to do two things: bring your clothes, food, and your kitchen things. That's it. No, there's nothing. It's come complete. Now, here's is the beauty. This is the beauty of the 395 MMMG. Voila. This is open it. Whoa! Whoa! It is true walk-in closet. I doesn't mean it. I mean, everybody give me like 2 feet closet. This is beyond 4 feet. Look, I make full turn in this walk-in closet. And what I like about it, they give it to you his and her. So you could hang clothes tall, short. You have, look, hanging clothes here, hanging clothes. You could put shoes there at the bottom, another shoes here, hanging clothes. If you have dresses, long dresses, you could remove this one, have long dresses, and you could go in the morning, what I need to wear today. You could do that here while you're in the walk-in closet before you take a shower. More shelf for folding. You have your own window. I mean, now we have the transportation plastic, but you have your own window if you need light. It's amazing. It's a true walk-in closet. We mean it. It's a true I'm standing in the walk-in closet. So I could take a shower, I could get ready in the morning, take a shower, come over here, choose what I want to wear, dressed up, get ready, and go outside. And nobody in the living room or the kitchen, they could see what I'm doing because why? It's separated with a solid door. You see? Now I could go to the living room. Voila. I'm in my house. I am in my house. The beauty about these destinations, price, we know no one could match best RV prices. No hidden fees, no bogus fees, no destination charges. This is ready to live in. You don't need to go you don't need to buy no appliances whatsoever. No furniture. Everything comes with it. What you see is what you're gonna get at lower cost, at lower monthly payment, at lower down payment. We could ship it to your house. We could ship it to your yard. It's better than buying a house. Why are you spending $1,500, $2,000 for a rent? And all this money, you give it to somebody and you make the other guy rich. Why you don't benefit from it and you have something tangible for yourself? Come to Best RV, check the brand new 25 Sierra 395 MMG, and you will be happy with it.